Hi, I'm Warren, and today we'll talk about the Lean Six Sigma DMAIC approach. So, let's get into it.
DMAIC is an acronym that summarizes a Lean Six Sigma methodology for solving difficult problems with existing processes. The phases provide a structure that makes success more likely. Each letter stands for a phase in the DMAIC process.
B. For definition, it involves determining customer requirements, defining variables in productions, and identifying process standards of a company.
The first phase is define. At the beginning, you might not even have identified what problem to work on. You'll often use DMAIC tool like Pareto analysis or supplier input process output customers diagram to help understand which problems are leading to the biggest cost. At the end of the define phase, you typically produce a project charter that describes elements like who will work on the project goals, the problem you are solving, and the benefits of achieving those goals.
Measure. It involves understanding the process, evaluating risk on process input, and measuring the current performance of a company through data collection. The next phase is the measure phase. During the measure phase, you'll want to make sure that the methodology you have for measuring the process is adequate and can determine the current state of the process. You might need some of the more analytical DMAIC tools to help you decide and understand the process to improve. In this phase, what you need to evaluate over time is the performance.
A. For analyze, it involves identifying waste in productions and analyzing collected data to determine the root causes of waste and opportunities for improvement.
Next is analyze. With the problem defined and the ability to measure the process in place, you are in a suitable position to look at what might be causing the problem. You might use a 5 whys analysis to refine the problem statement into a test table form. Once you have some good ideas, design experiments can verify that a potential cost has a significant effect.
Improve. It involves designing process, improvements to formulate creative solutions to fix and prevent problems. Next up is improve. During the analyze phase, your understanding of the process will have solidified so that you know what changes to make to improve the process. During the improvement phase, you'll make sure to deliver those improvements to the full process. In the improvement phase, you should make use of DMAIC model to distribute a new tool that provided even pressure instead of pressure at 3 points.
C. For control, it involves development, documentation, and implementation of ongoing monitoring plan to ensure that the process are being carried out based on the established standard.
Last but not the least is control. Now that you have improved your process, it's critical that you make these improvements part of the standards operating procedures. You'll come out with a control plan that describes the new process, and you will have a monitoring plan that lets you verify that all improvements are stable. It's important that the control phase also let you know about process changes that represent opportunities for improvement.
And that sums up the DMAIC approach. I hope that you've learned something from our video simulation. Thanks for watching!